Letter number 27. Wow.
Wow.
And wow, what a letter. Now it looks like an arm, more like Ra and Zai, only with a head this time. Pronounced mostly either wa, more like the letter W, or U, like the letter O, and sometimes ow, like in plow, for example, OW, which is the two letters actually founded in the word wow, the name of this letter. You'll learn more about how it's pronounced with practice. By the way, it also serves as the and of Arabic. Like, for example, when you say ana wa ant, which means me and you. See, wa here is and, okay? Let's see the examples. The first example, واحد, which means one. See how waw is pronounced? Wa. واحد. Like W here. واحد. The second example, حوت, which means whale, a whale. See how waw is pronounced here? Oo, حوت. Here wa, here حوت. Oo in حوت. The third example, صوت, which means a voice or a sound. See how waw is pronounced here? أو, صوت, أوت. واحد. حوت. أو صوت. Of course, like I mentioned before, you're gonna learn about how it's pronounced with practice, okay? But just note the different pronunciations of wow here, okay? So practice it. Practice wow, and I'll see you in the next video.